Greetings from Coin Graph Market. Here's where we change your cryptocurrency experience. Are you sick and weary of watching the market all the time? Now you can trade like a pro without being connected to your computer with a $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge for just $79 a month. My trades can be automatically mirrored by you. Upgrade your cryptocurrency skills with Satoshi Swiss by subscribing now. Together, let's take over the crypto industry. To join, click the first link in the description below. And now let's begin the video at last. Okay, let's get this video started. We'll talk about the coin. We will talk about the SEC's current investigation after the big mistake. Hear me out. It's necessary to fire someone. I will elucidate the significance of discussing Twitter's response to this as they looked into the account and declared it to be compromised. Congress is asking him to testify about this sad man, which is why we are going to talk about Gary Gensler. She keeps doing this. You know that he deserves it. We will talk about the grayscale. The excerpt of 16 and 31 cents is accurate, and they have added something interesting. I'll tell you what you're seeing right now. Now let's begin using this Bitcoin. With Ethereum prices down $45,094 to $2,375,000 and a decline of 3.9 from the previous day, we are still seeing some unfavorable outcomes. In the last hour, it has dropped by around 1 despite a gain of 3.4. The average XRP for both USD and USDC entering at their respective currency passes is 56 cents, which is very low. Yes, according to my Discord channel, the total market value of cryptocurrencies as of yesterday was $1 trillion or 56 cents each XRP. You should see us talking since you're not a Discord member. It's free this year. Why aren't you there? I'm always speaking and talking there. Enter and enjoy yourself. This is what I said yesterday in my Discord channel. There's no doubting that if XR continues to rise, it will be the most absurd reason to witness a nuclear meltdown all the way down into the upper 30-cent range. XRP is going to hit a record high, which we'll name $3 for the purpose of simplicity in computation. For the sake of fundamental maths, we'll also refer to it as 40 cents. I think that's only the beginning when it comes to where XRP will go to achieve its all-time high. If we break into the upper 30 goals, we're looking at a 7x. That's the lowest return we should anticipate from this, in my opinion. This isn't guidance on finances. Since I am aware that I'm a 7x, I don't want to hear it in the comments. Not an issue. So put it simply and just for fun, if you spend $100,000 in it, no, it's not at all awful that you just made $700,000 once you meet those goals and reach an all-time high. You think like tears when you pray. Let's be honest here. Not many of us have $100,000 to throw at this. I recognize neither of us is willing to invest $100,000 in this. Let's say we put $1,000 into that. Getting $7,000 out of $1,000 looks like a win to me. $10,000 turned into $70,000. That could definitely pay for 2 car payments if you bought 2 vehicles for the family. I have no idea what to look into. I'm not saying we'll live to be. All I'm trying to convey is that over the next 3 months, you should be prepared for anything that could happen that is entirely unexpected. I have nothing more to say. This is the takeaway. I mean, don't shoot the messenger. Legendary tears of pride this morning. More had been sold still. Why? Because my initiative is known to and supported by people. They have faith in us and my forecast that this discovery will fundamentally change the NFT game. I explained what transpired beginning in a month. As of January 1st, Lux Lines will be the largest project on the XRP ledger. That is my prediction for 2024. Thank you. I only want to clarify that this is a forecast. I know what is going to happen because I am aware of the news. You should learn as much as you can about the project and try to acquire as many NFTs as you can. Not financial advice either, as you wait for me to gather all the data, arrange it, and plan when to publish it. Don't worry, major media news organizations everywhere. You will be receiving 30 back in XRP every single month. That's not that horrible, is it? Preserve your XRP. I'd rather not use a credit card to make a payment. We have been accepting credit cards ever since we launched a new line for a new generation 11 months ago. Because of this, I think our project is the only one on the XR Ledger that does this. I should talk about people. Bear that in mind. Avoid being stupid. Steer clear of madness. Take off your blinkers and give up on everything that isn't helping. It's true that I updated my Twitter header. Why altered my ticker is beyond me. Everything is well. Visit Patreon by clicking the link. It's back. All of the content on my webpage. I don't know why, but some of you haven't been able to engage in private YouTube combat. Joining the Patreon group is a necessity. Well, I'm not sure how many charts to recommend, but I think two or three will show the most optimistic cryptocurrency targets. People who can easily read charts, I'm going to inform you that this is the statistic that we are looking at. Profits again, scalps. It is really simple to get out if we drop below this. To join the Patreon group, you have to sign up. In particular, my pinned tweet has been changed in light of the upcoming bull run. In case you missed the first video of the day, you may view it now. Here's my page on Twitter. View the pinned tweet to get an idea of how it will proceed. Review it, write it down, and ingrain it into your memory. Following a comprehensive investigation, Twitter found that the SAC government account had been compromised. The chair Gary Gensler jokingly published this just last year after a hacker gained the phone number and the account did not have two-factor authentication set up. It is incredibly embarrassing that the largest regulator in the world lacks basic security measures in place. Gensler Gary, remember to use multi-factor authentication, make sure your passwords are secure, and have your account notifications turned on. Since you didn't change your account in that way, interest in Gensler, what legal responsibilities exist till 2021 or 180 days after the directive is signed? But I believe that 180 days have gone by since 21. Do you not believe that all his government accounts must have two-factor authentication enabled by law? According to Twitter statement, they can confirm that two-factor authentication was turned off at